Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. To start, open your internet browser in your mobile device and then search for Afterpay. Then in here, click on the link that says www.afterpay.com. On Afterpay, click on Sign Up. Once you are now here, input your email address. Then click on Continue. Then the next step is to input your phone number. Then click on Continue. In here, I'll be reading to you a step-by-step process on how to use Afterpay for single payment work on Amazon. Step 1, open your Afterpay app and click on Amazon in the Shop tab. Step 2, pick your products and add them to our cart. Step 3, enter your shipping and account details. On Step 4, when you reach the payment method page, select Add a payment method. On Step 5, choose Add a credit or debit card. And then in here, for another tutorial, open your Afterpay app and select Amazon in the Shop tab. Pick your products and add them to your cart. Enter your shipping and account details. When you reach the payments page, select Add a payment method. Choose Add a credit card or debit card. The button at the bottom of the app screen labeled Buy Now, Pay Later will activate. Untick Set as Default Payment Method and click the Buy Now button. Afterpay will fill out the credit card fields and you can place your order. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.